everyone, it is Teacher Yani here, and today I am going to show you guys how to teach your kids in taking turns in playing games. Now, how to teach your kids to take turns? First, to play games that require turn taking. Board or card games are a perfect way to teach all the preschool children to wait for a turn. Outside games such as basketball or catch are also ideal games to practice taking turns. For young children, use very simple turn-taking games such as rolling a toy back and forth, or also a ball nest. Incorporate turn-taking into your everyday routine. There are many ways to include turn-taking into the activities you already do on a daily basis, such as choosing a TV show, cooking, or picking books to read. Simply pointing out to your child that you are taking turns helps. The last one is to celebrate successes. Encourage your child with positive language when you see him waiting during a difficult situation or taking turns with a friend.
Okay, Anis, whose turn? Anis' turn!
Good job!
Okay, next, whose turn? Teacher's turn.
Well done, Anis! Children are not born knowing how to take turns. It is a skill that they must be taught. Taking turns can be hard. In order to learn how to take turns successfully, children need lots of practice, help, and encouragement from parents. When children learn how to take turns, they also learn other valuable skills such as first, being a good friend, self-control, problem-solving, patience, communication, listening, and negotiation skills.